Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel that keeps you safe from shady sites and online traps. Today, we're taking a closer look at a beauty brand that's been popping up all over social media, Ersa Nails. Are they really giving you flawless nail extensions? Or just polishing up a scam? Let's find out! Ersa Nails has a trendy website filled with flashy visuals and claims of high-quality, salon-style nail extensions at home. They're especially active on Instagram and TikTok, showing influencers showing off perfect manicures. But hold on, just because it looks good doesn't mean it is good. First, let's check the basics. Contact info. The site lists only a generic email. No phone number, no physical address. Return policy. It's vague and leans heavily in favor of the seller, not the customer. Reviews. Real customer feedback is mixed. Some claim fast delivery and good results. Others complain of long shipping times, poor product quality, and zero customer service. Ersa Nails is spending big on influencer marketing. But here's the trick. Lots of these posts are sponsored or use affiliate links. That means many influencers are being paid to promote, not review. Always be cautious when you see more hype than honesty. So, is Ersa Nails a scam? Not exactly, but it's definitely a buyer beware situation. If you decide to purchase, do so with caution. Use PayPal or a protected payment method, and be prepared for delays or underwhelming quality. Thanks for watching Online Scam Advisor. Before you click that Buy Now button, make sure to hit subscribe, give us a like, and comment if you've had any experience with Ersa Nails. Stay smart, stay safe, and stay scam-free. Thank you!